An alternative to using the emergency crawl is to display a full-screen emergency graphic, which has much more dramatic impact and sense of urgency. The graphic can be large text, which is displayed over the current playlist playback, or text that's composited over a background image of your choice. The emergency graphic properties are set in the Edit, Configure, Emergency Text tab. The default is a large, bold font with drop shadow that is aligned middle and center. The current parameters are displayed with sample text in the video preview window. The system defaults to white for the text. If you want to use a light-colored background image, you'll want to select black or another dark color for contrast with the image. In the Emergency Graphic folder is a subfolder called Backgrounds and a single text file called emergencygraphic.txt. Double-click the text file to open it. Typically, it will open using Notepad on your computer or whatever application you have set as the default for opening text files. If you only want to display large text over whatever is outputting on the A-list system, either live or file playback, just open the text file, enter text, and click Save. But if you want to display large text that's over a full-screen background, you'll need to copy and paste an image into the root of the Emergency Graphic folder along with the text file. The A-list system includes several images in the Backgrounds folder for your convenience, but you can use any images you prefer at any time. The program automatically scales the graphic to the current output setting of your A-list system, but you'll have the best visual results using graphics of the appropriate aspect ratio, 4:3 for standard definition and 16:9 for high definition. Another way to manage various backgrounds is to place all the background graphic options at the root of the D Emergency Graphic folder, at the same level as the emergencygraphic.txt file. Because the system uses alphanumeric file sorting, if you just rename the file you want to use by adding a 1 at the beginning of the file name, that file will be used for the background behind the emergency text, as shown here. Once you've determined your background graphic, double-click the emergencygraphic.txt file, enter your message, and click Save. The graphic will appear on the screen within 5 seconds of the time you saved the file. You can update the text whenever you wish and click Save. The full-screen graphic will update with the new information within 5 seconds and will remain full screen until you delete all the text and click Save again.